Hey guys, welcome back to techgooch. I have another product here. This is going to be a quick open boxing, basically, of the AmpliFi HD main router. Now, this is actually different than the AmpliFi HD full set, the home Wi-Fi connection set that has the additional antennas that you can plug in. This is a secondary router that I'm actually going to use. So I'm going to do another setup video and everything of how to actually wire these two together to extend your system, and then also still have more wireless setup as well. So that's it. Let's bring the camera in closer and we'll open up the box here. Take a peek at what it comes with. All right, so as usual, we got a nice plastic seal on here. And I'm gonna open up from the bottom, looks like. So I'm gonna just break the seal off here and get the plastic off real quick. Should be the only thing I need the scissors for. There is a nice little handle there, so we're gonna hold on that, and out she comes. All right, looks like just like the other one, it does have a magnetic flap that actually holds itself in place. And we actually have the instructions that actually come on the inside here. We have the actual router itself. Down below that, we have an instruction booklet, Ethernet cable, and USB-C power adapter. Otherwise, everything else is just solid foam, other than the actual information on the actual item itself. So there we are. That's how she comes, and that's what she comes with. So I'm really looking forward to testing this stuff and showing you guys how it works and how well it works. Now, of course, I already have the main review of the first system that I received, which is the full system here. This is I've been requested to showcase how we can do a wired extension if you were to buy two of these routers. So AmpliFi sent me over another one to show you guys how to wire them together. So I'm really looking forward to showing the wired and seeing the difference in how the network extends from where I have a 3-point system to actually when you add this wired to the main one with the two wireless, a 4-point system. Do the math, right? 1 plus 3. So that's coming, and I'll post links to that down below as well when I get those all linked. But I will post links where I have the main setup as well as the main review I have on the system. So keep an eye out for all those videos on techgooch here, as well as over on GeekSmart for the setup stuff. So keep tuned. We'll see you later.